So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket, and GLM 5 has been released a week back. From vibe coding to agentic engineering, it is one of the best models for agentic AI. As you can see on the benchmark, it is a huge boost over the previous version GLM 4.7, and it is matching power performance with Cloud Opus 4.5, Gemini 3 and GPT 5.2. But here we are not talking about the model but how to use the model for free, because the model size is quite huge. The model is covering about 744 billion parameters. It's very big. It's very similar to DeepSeek's R1 model, if you remember, and running such a model locally is just not possible. As you can see, they have mentioned that 744 billion parameters, and it's quite huge. So what to do now? You can't run it locally, but you can use a free API key. Yes, so today I'm telling you how to use GLM5 using the free API key. So let's get started. We will be using NVIDIA NIMS platform. So you can see that GLM5 is available for free. I have provided the link in the comment section below. You can test out the model for free. You can talk to it, you can chat with it here on the interface itself using the experience section. So it's one of the best model for agentic AI. Not the right one to check out whether 9.1 or 9.07 is bigger, but yeah, as you can see, there's some traffic, so we will be skipping this part. Rather than that, I will be jumping onto the API key. So just hit it here, copy code to make an API request. As you can see here, you need to copy paste this API key. As you can see, generate the API key. I'll be deleting all these API keys, so don't worry about it. You can't use it. Once done, once you are able to use it, GLM5 by NB, you need to just copy paste this code here, and yeah, just hit enter and you would be able to see the outputs in the below section. You just need to change the prompt also, and here is the output that we are getting. So now you can run GLM5 for free with using the free API key without using any resources as well. Just change the prompt. What is the 2 plus 2 minus 3? I'm trying out a very basic maths question also now. 2 plus 2 minus 3 is about 1. So I am getting an output here. It's very fast also, as you can see. So the API is working, and you can test out the model for free using NVIDIA NIM now. This is quite exciting because NVIDIA NIM is providing API keys for one of the best models, be it Qwen 3.5, GLM5, etc. So what are you waiting for? The link is in the comment section below. Test out the model right now and let me know in the comment section how you feel about it. Thank you so much.